Guys, as you can see, we have completed this job. We have succeeded in removing the SMS inverter. I will replace it with a Felicity Inverter because this is what we have available. You can see from your look, you can see that it's charging. You can see it's charging. Now, we want to see how these things are working. Before, this inverter was on one bar. You have got it to 2 bar, and this is the second battery. We have got it to 2 bar, so we are here monitoring it. So you can see the way we fly wire. So the client is scared to invest other money based on what the previous installer did. So we just give our assurance that you should not worry. We are coming with our own cable, that the battery is still okay. The problem is just the inverter, that the inverter panel is bad. Not that the inverter is bad, the product is not good, but it's a result of wrong installer. So you can see now, I want to show you what each pin of this PV is generating. As I said, this is PV1 and this is PV2. So now I'm going to be showing you the PV. This is the PV voltage. When you see PV, this is the PV1 voltage 302. What the installer did before, he connected this is 15 panels. So we make each of one of the spring 8, while the second string 2. So the voltage is going to be different. In PV1, if you are seeing 3 or something, maybe you will see 290 something. So this is PV1 322 volts. So let's go to PV2 voltage. Okay, 2 something. Yes, that is what we are expecting. And again, without withstanding what the installer did, the previous installer did before, there's what come mismatch of panel. In mismatch 550 watts, 500, just like that, 4 something watts, just mismatch. So definitely you are going to be having some funny reading on your PV. So this is the PV voltage for PV2. So then now we are going to what the kilowatt the PV1 is generating. You can see one string 8 panel is giving you 3.08 kilowatts. So let's go to PV2. Yes, we are expecting such reading because the panel is 7 panel, 2.8 kilowatts. Now we are going to be observing this battery bar to see how the charging rate is fast. So as you can see, I'm going to the BMS to check. Then enter. It's going to be giving me all the information, the status. Enter. It will give you this. Shows if when it's showing NN, it means that your lithium battery is okay, very okay. Then let's go to escape. Then let's go to okay, let me go to the BMS status, the system setting. Just play with it. Okay, we go to the menu. So we want to check the state of charge on your analog information. So you click enter. So you scroll down, you check your cell capacity, then you click enter. So it will show your state of charge. That is your SOC, means state of charge. You see all the information. I will see all the parameters concerning your battery. So now if you get to 3 bar, I think we are also going to make a video for you that all the system is working. So thank you. This is Postal Technical. So remember, our mission is to is to provide solution. So just reach us, maybe probably you're having challenges, call us. It is free of charge. We'll give you all the necessary assistance we believe we can render for you. It is free. You can also write us on our page. If you have problem, maybe you are far from us, we will reply you within 24 hours. So remain blessed. I can still drop my number 08160449736, or you can also reach us on 070 37 49 12 36. Remember, our mission is one youth to rescue. Remain blessed.